I am making the lemon and honey dressing from this salad. I'm actually going to make it a bean salad. So I only want the lemon and honey dressing because it is delicious, and it actually emulsifies the oil and the lemon juice. So you've got a beautiful creamy dressing. Now, to go to that particular section of the recipe, I need to start cooking. I need to go to the 3 dots next to the next button. And this gives you some options. You can open a preview to see what comes next. You can look at the recipe detail, which is what I'm going to do. You can also access the scales from here and simply click the scales. Okay, come up. We can weigh something that you know is in the recipe and need to add later. Cross out of that. Go to the 3 dots. Recipe detail is the one I want. And you've got an arrow here. So you can scroll down until you find the spot that you want. And mine is actually, here, number 6. All right, adding the lemon. And there is a section, now I don't want to add lemon because I usually zest my lemons separately. So I will go down again. Whoops, hang on. Recipe detail. Go down. And here, 7. All right, now scales are automatically up for the oil. But when you go to the lemon juice, it says approximately 40 grams. So if you don't know what 40 grams of lemon juice is going to be, simply go to the scales, weigh it, cross it out, and go back to the recipe. So I hope that helps with you just doing parts of recipes or skipping parts of recipes in Cookidoo.